Welcome guys back to my episode of Me Surviving. Uh, I went a little bit. I I the put I did a little bit of work. So guys, you can see the sign what I have here. I want to go mine for once actually, but I went to that village what I showed you guys by the other episode. Let me just. I went to that village by the other episode to dye my armor, guys. As you can see, my armor's dyed blue. I'm gonna make me full iron in this episode. I hope you guys will be happy because all the speedrunners trap them diamond armor. But you're probably wondering, how did the school saplings video? How did the Biodarden saplings video? I tried with the wandering trader is right here guys. I tried working and I got the Biodarden. So now I'm going to what can I do? Oh yeah, I forgot. I promised you guys that I will make a house. So first I need to put up the link. Oh, in the apple here. So I promised to get our boat house. But first I need to put up the whole area. I need 2 shovels for that. Let me see. I need 2 shovels. So I need some stone. I need to store my stone up. There's my mining. And I hear zombies. So I must just mine some stone, guys. I wish I could find more iron. Okay, I think that's enough. I don't know what any use copper for. There's many stuff. How you can make copper armor, but it's only in bedrock. I'm playing pocket edition. So now I need to draft me 2 shovels and put it up the land. Yeah, I think 3 shovels. So I'm gonna begin. So guys, this didn't take long, so I'm just gonna stop recording so you guys can see how much did I do. So yeah. Guys, I was just putting up the land in the street room. I need to take it down soon. So yeah. Guys, the tree is thrown about the tree. I need to mine it later. I'm gonna mine this tree also. I just need all the stuff for my house what I'm about to build. I'm gonna search one. I don't know which kind. I'm just gonna search. I hope the saplings are enough so I can have another tree. Man, come on, this better be done. Oh lord, this is not taking so long. Guys, I covered more land. I still need to cover this part where my bed and my furnace is, so yeah. Guys, after a whole day, I finally made the whole area. Wait, so I'm towards up the place. Okay guys, I'm just lighting up the area so no mobs can spawn because I wish I could show you guys what happened that night. 4 creepers spawned and I still hear a skeleton somewhere nearby. I need to... Oh, but it's so quick somewhere. And guys, I'm on 30 subscribers. Please guys, like and subscribe for my videos. I'm on low likes and subscribers. But please guys, I'm just asking you to like and subscribe to my video. Let me see. Sorry guys about that noise. Done. Where did the other llama go? Isn't there anything else you see important here? Nope. I can literally... Those flowers are over there. And this guy say only for 1 emerald. Nah, violation. So I need to mine this tree down. I got some bones from killing the skeleton. Yeah, actually burned to death. So I'm gonna mine first this tree down. I see you coming up with this one. How much food do I need? Please, I'm gonna pray to the Minecraft gods. You blessed me last time. Please help me. I only need this one thing. Please let the saplings go. I need to mine the 3 minutes. And I need another egg. If this doesn't drop saplings, I need to trade again with the guy. And I needed 20 emeralds to trade for 1 sapling. Oh yeah guys, wait, I got 1 sapling, please. Minecraft gods, please. Please give me another. I see another one over there. One, I have 2. 3. I might get 4. Oh, I need this one more. Minecraft gods. Yes, I have 4. I can place it down another 4. Last time when I didn't have dark oak saplings, it didn't fall. Hold on, I might get 2 trees. If I get another 2, my mind is 3 blocks. Wonder what should I build? What type of house should I build? I have many houses I built already. Many of those houses are useless. But another one. I need to make the inventory space empty. What's it cooking? Yep. 34. Yep. Don't need this. Yes, another one. I might be able to get more than. I'm gonna keep on mining this tree until it gets naked. I think I should build a circle house. Oh, I think I should build a circle house for my storage. That iron is probably done cooking. Guys, I mined this whole tree down. Yes, another. You see, I was able to get more saplings from the other tree. What tree? Okay, guys, I'm draping everything what I need. Let me just put this stuff in here and spruce tree. So I hope I can build a house nice enough so you guys can actually say it's a nice house. I need to turn this into grass. And let's start building the house. Should I build it here in the middle or here? I think here's a nice place because I might be building something there later. So I'm just gonna get rid of this flowers. Okay, let's build a house. So it must be a block socket. I think I should get my bed. Hold on, do I have an extra bed? I swear I had an extra bed. I took it from the village. What? Okay, I'm gonna use this bed. Since I do anyway spawn. Now a lot of you guys know how to bed rats. Bed rats. Yes. I'm actually the goat. Okay, probably bed rats is in good. Let me see. Bed rats. Yes, I'm the goat. No way, am I so good? Probably you guys are better than me. In a boat tower. Come. I'm good with these answers. Now the house what I'm about to yes, I'm actually good. The house what I'm about to build is not we said some rain. I think I should put it in. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, right. Oh. Rain done. Hope I have enough for the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, dang. Yes, and out. Okay. Now I need to stir up all this wood. I'm gonna stir up it all like this. It looks much beautiful, stripped. Don't like it this way. So guys, I'm gonna stop it, so I'm gonna pause right now. Guys, I stopped all the wood now. I'm just now about the interior of it. I'm gonna just see what I can do. Oh guys, this is how my house look after building for almost a whole hour. I actually built this house in half an hour. It don't take me so long. This is just a start base. I'm not gonna build me another house. I still need to finish the roof there up top. So yeah. Okay guys, this is how my house look. This is the front where the door is, and I hear a zombie. And this is the back. I made the roof around with the straight line. Now is the easy part. I need to mine. I need to get all the stuff into that house, and I need to make later on a storage room. So yeah. Oh yeah, I need to make me full iron armor. Let me just do that now. I can't. Let me make up. Let me clean up my inventory. Okay. Need to draw some of these stuff. What is it called? Oh wait, I can. Finally, I can take off. Oh man, the stuff looks nice on my body. But it's time to go to iron armor. I need to go kill that iron golem. There's still iron golem over there. I full iron armor. Let me see. What should I do? I don't know what to do. Oh yeah, I forgot I need to move all my storage stuff. Let me see. I need to craft one furnace. Actually, I need this. And 3. Let me bring all this stuff in. Wait, what? I don't have to. I crafted 3. Let me see it quick. Oh no. Yep, I was right. I crafted 3. Oh wait, I need hunger. I have some food. So guys, remember I am no okay guys, this took so long. But I bought finally my house. I plant some saplings. It's finally done. Oh, I need this stove. I need this stove, iron pickaxe and an iron shovel. I did something to my bed, as you guys can see. I did something to my bed and a pizza. I should light up my house, by the way. Oh, I don't want nothing to spawn here, so I'm gonna place torches here. Let me see, torches here. Hold on, what happens if I... Oh, nothing happens. But I don't want it there. Yeah, also... And outside the house. I wonder if you guys can tell how do my house look. The spoilers are not going up. This is how my house look for now, guys. Looks a little bit nice. Now I wanted to do something. I needed to go mine. So yeah, guys. I hope you guys. I need to go mine for more iron. Don't know what. I needed to get more sand. Yeah. Actually, I need to get more clay. It's daytime still. I think I should make me a bed. So guys, we know try to find a sea. I remember last time when I was looking for a sea, I went this direction. So I hope I will find one. Oh, Lizzie's. Don't see those. Oh, what did you mean? I think it was just a 4 minutes. Uh, the, there should be a sea nearby. Yes, I was right. Now I need oil, not sand. Actually, I don't need grass. Don't know what to do anymore, but now I know. Where can I find sand? What should I build? Oh wait, you have me. What should I build? I need a pot. Where's oil? I only need one piece. Let's do this. Let's go up. Let me see. Look, almost again. My boat's up. I don't care. Now I'm back. I'm back up top. Now I need to wait until the stuff's well. So guys, I'm gonna end the episode here. So thank you for watching and subscribe. Goodbye.